name is Mason Armstrong, and I attended Greenfield High School before coming to the GPS Ed program. I'd say I've come a long way since joining the program, and I've learned a lot of lessons along the way. But I feel the most important one that I've learned so far is that nothing in life can be done in a lazy manner. I, on the other hand, ended up learning that the hard way. Attending school in the GPS Ed program has been a lot easier than a traditional high school. The way the class was set up, the weekly schedule for school and work, and everything about it was why it worked so well with me. Before, I never liked going to school or any of my classes, but here, I enjoy coming into class. I even enjoyed doing my classwork because I understood how to do it, and the only reason I understood how to do it was because my teachers have done a great job in explaining it all for me. So for that, thank you. I've learned a lot since coming here. I used to think that life was easy and I could get by just doing whatever I wanted. However, since joining and being a part of the apprenticeship program for 2 years, I've learned that is not true, and life can be really tough at times. I never realized just how much planning was involved to move ahead and convince others you are worth the time and effort. I want to give a special thanks to Rocio, Pierre, Katie, and Andrea. I really do thank you for being patient with me and always believing that I can do more with my life than even I want to. It really is no secret that I can be tough to do with at times. Once I graduate, I plan on applying to MATC after saving up some money. I'm not sure exactly what I want to study, but hopefully taking a break from school will hopefully give me time to figure that out. In the future, I want to get a 4-year degree and continue to gain work experience. I want to truly thank everyone that helped me overcome challenges that led me in the right directions. Socrates once said, "To find yourself, think for yourself." I used to do a lot of bad things, and I only stopped that when I actually cared about school and decided that I wanted to attend MATC. I don't believe I would have changed that much if I hadn't joined GPS Ed. So for that and everything else, thank you. Thank you all.